Hi friends, in the previous class we were discussed properties of photon. Now we are going to discuss what is photoelectric effect. See, the photoelectric effect. The name itself is indicating photo means depends on the light. Electric means whatever the electric electrons or electric things comes into the picture. By combination of this light and electron is produces some effect. How it is we will see. So basically, when we project a light on any metallic plate, from the metallic plate, some emission takes place. That phenomena we call as photoelectric effect. Usually, we have seen everybody has experienced that filament bulb. Through the filament bulb, through the tungsten filament, when the amount of current passes, it starts emitting some amount of light, right? Of course, that is opposite effect for this. But here, when you heat any metallic thing, it gets absorbed the heat energy, therefore it will become goes on reddish, then it emit out the heat energy as well as light energy. So nothing but it is emitting in the form of light is electrons or photons, we can say that. Of course, if you are channelizing that in proper manner, then we can produce the electric current also. So, in the same way, we can call the phenomena of emission of electrons from metal surfaces, which are exposed to light energy of suitable frequency is known as photoelectric effect. Means light energy, it can be X-rays, gamma rays, UV rays, or it can be visible light also, and even infrared light also can be used as a source to expose, okay, towards the metallic plate. Then these lights, all wavelengths or all frequencies will produce the photoelectric effect? No. It should have, each and every light should have, depends on the metallic plate, suitable frequency, suitable wavelength is required. So that phenomena we call the phenomena of emission of electrons when a metallic plate is exposed to suitable frequency of light is called as photoelectric effect. Now, here the electrons which are emitted by the metallic plate is called as photoelectrons. Photoelectrons. Now here, the current constituted by these photoelectrons is known as photoelectric current. Means whatever the electrons are released from the metal plate, it is channelized through the conductor or a wire, and therefore it is called as photoelectric current. Now, non-metals also shows some photoelectric effects. Liquids and gases also shows this effect, but not like a metals. It's up to certain extent, a limited extent it is possible in that. Let us think, if you take up normal metals, if you are inciding ultraviolet light, so photoelectrons are emitting. You can see here. Yes, when ultraviolet light is exposed or projected on a metal plate, photoelectrons are emitting. Same way, metals other than alkali metals, when these alkali metals are exposed to visible light, no photoelectrons are emitting. But when it is possible, when these alkali metals are exposed to visible light, okay, then photoelectrons are emitted. Here you should notice the point that metals other than alkali metals, okay, so in that there is no effect. Here green light we are instanting, here UV light in color of blue means high frequency we can. And when coming to the visible light for the alkali metals, here normal metals, if you expose the visible light towards the alkali metals, or sorry, if you project the visible light on the alkali metals, there is the effect of photoelectrons takes place, okay. So this is all about the photoelectric effect. Now, this we are going to see in a form of experimental effect, how it is experimentally.